Hello, guys. Good morning. Hope all is well wherever you are, and welcome to my vlog or my channel rather, because I'm not going to make a vlog. I'm just gonna have a short video, perhaps just briefly talk about something that I thought maybe worth talking about. So basically, as you know, that I'm a nurse. I've been nursing for the last 15 years. Actually, I've been working in a healthcare settings for way over 15 years, but as a nurse, 15 years. And, obviously, over the years, I've had a lot of experiences working in different clinical settings, working with different patients with different conditions. And, nursing is a work of heart. So over the years, as you work and you look after so many different patients with the different kind of situations, circumstances, scenarios, or, with a lot of different things, because not every patients are the same. They are different. They have a different medical conditions. And then obviously the way you treat them is obviously different to the other patients. So anyway, so what I'm trying to say here is, life is very uncertain. Health is so important. If you don't look after your health, obviously you will have to face the consequences. For instance, smoking and drinking. You really have to face the consequences. Like the worst type of kind of a suffering, I would say. And it's really hard to say and explain in words, but as I'm talking, I have this vision and, thinking about the people that I've looked after and like how painful it has been even to see a person in front of you suffering, and you do everything you can, but still not going to be enough. So, nursing for me is like a profession, is like a blessing in disguise, because it really makes me realize like life is so uncertain, because you're here, you don't know what's going to happen to you literally in a split second. And like I said, the health, once your health is gone, everything is gone. You can bring back your wealth from the scratch. You can work hard from the scratch. But once your health is gone, that's it. It's very hard to reverse back. And, so this is so important, especially nowadays. Our lifestyle is so fast. A lot of people get stressed with their workload, and that really impacts their health as well. Mental health, again, is the other one, other topic we can discuss some other time. But again, it's so important to check on your mental health as well, and not to just suppress it and then just, cover it up and then just carry on, because it will take its toll. And once your mental health, again, deteriorates, it's very difficult. You need to have a lot of therapies, and sometimes even medication, which, to be honest, I'm a nurse, and I give medication all the time. But the problem with pharmaceutical thing is you try to how do I say, you try to give medication to help kind of ease off the symptoms, but it has its side effects. So it's like has its pro and cons. But yeah, so that's the last thing I think you want to do. If you don't have any options at the end, then I think medication would be the one, because that will really help to kind of make your life a bit easier as well. But I will try to avoid taking medication in the first place. But sometimes you have conditions and there's nothing much it can be done other than taking the medication. Otherwise, you will just get worse and your life will be on hold. Then yes, So yeah, so life is very uncertain. Health is very, very important. Especially, it really breaks my heart when especially looking after young people. Once upon a time, they are healthy, and they are living the normal life like us, and boom, accident happens or something happens, and they're in pretty much, in bed with a spinal injury, or have some brain injury, and they are a completely different person. So life is really, really uncertain. It can be very scary, but it's a lesson, and it's something that you need to be aware of. So yeah, just enjoy life as it comes. Spend time with your family. I know work is important because you have to pay the bills. But at the same time, have that work-life balance, I guess. Because you just don't know. You just really don't know. I know it's easier said than done, because sometimes, yeah, even me, I'm working and I don't get to spend time with my family a lot, and it can take its toll. But whenever the kids are off, that's when I want to be off, and I want to spend time with them as much as I can, so that we have a quality of time, and I don't feel that, I abandon the kids, and vice versa. So yeah, just enjoy life, enjoy life, live every moment. All we have is now. You don't know what the future holds. Obviously, you need to be positive. You are positive, and you have to project yourself as a positive person. And obviously, living in the past, I think, would be the worst thing, because it basically is like, how do I say? It's a shadow, but it's really a bad shadow, and you really need to come out of it. Otherwise, you are not gonna live your life to the fullest, and you're just gonna struggle because your past constantly haunts you. I know it's easier said than done again, but with a lot of practice, like meditations or mantra, anything, that works for you, really help to kind of deal with your past trauma. And yeah, so like I said, as a nurse, live a healthy life. You are what you eat. So choose wisely. Like I said, 5 minutes. I know when you're busy, but 5 minutes. Try to take the time out and do something like meditate, before you go to work, or just have that peace, like kind of calm your mind, and just try to be in a moment and just live mindfully. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to share. I think I mumbled a lot, but I just thought maybe, as a nurse, I thought maybe it would be nice to maybe sometimes share what we feel. So yeah, always remember to live in a moment. Please look after your health and live your life to the fullest, because you don't know what's going to happen to you, or you don't know what's around the corner. Nobody knows. Only God. And, sometimes we have to leave it to God and just have a faith and pray. All right. Until I see you next time. Thank you for staying in. Thank you for staying in tune. Sorry. And yeah, catch you later. Bye.